Welcome to Corporate Bridge Learning of Excel Graphs and Charts 2010. That in this concept you will be learning how to prepare graphs and charts in Excel 2010 sheet. It will help you to prepare from the scratch to till advanced level of graphs and charts, which will help you to present your data in a more appropriate way. The topics which will be covered in this concept will be Excel chart concept. Like in this topic, in this subtopic, you will understand how many various types of charts and graphs are available in the Excel sheet, which will help you to present your data. Second will be learning of Excel basic charts. Excel basic charts will help you to prepare the basic charts of various types of graphs and charts available in Excel sheet. Third would be the fine tuning of charts in Excel, which will help you to learn how to tune your charts, means how to prepare your charts in a more appropriate and professional way. Fourth would be changing chart options, like you can switch from various charts if you're unhappy with the recommended charts or with the charts which you have selected, so you can switch to the other charts. Fifth would be the format tab options. There is a tab option which will help you to understand the format tab, that how many functions are there in the format tab options, and will help you to make your chart more professional and appropriate. Fourth would be adjustment of specific chart types. In this you will learn about various chart types like area chart, scatter chart, XY, that is stock chart, bubble chart, donut chart, the various types of charts you are going to learn in this particular topic. Seventh would be changing chart sources. In this changing chart sources you will understand like how to paste your data in the respective charts, how to use the multiple chart options, how to prepare basic dynamic charts. Essentially this topic covers this type of charts. The last would be the eighth, specialized charts and graphs. The specialized charts and graphs are the more appropriate way which will help you to present your data for the upcoming events. In this you will understand what type of data is there in dynamic charts with checkboxes, dynamic pie charts, then the pivot charts, calculator chart, advanced dynamic charts. These all concepts will be covered in the specialized charts and graphs of 2010. So these many concepts will be covered in the learning of Excel graphs and charts 2010.